GPT generating images. How to use Bing Image Creator. Basic prompt structure. Subject: what do you want to see? It can be people, animals, landscapes, or anything else. Style: the style of art you want. Do you want a realistic rendering, an abstract design, or a specific art school like Impressionism or Cyberpunk? Mood: the mood or atmosphere of the image. Do you want a calm and peaceful landscape, or a vibrant, bustling city scene? For example, a basic prompt might look like this: a city skyline at night with neon lights and a futuristic cyberpunk feel. Advanced prompt techniques. Keywords: use specific words that describe texture, lighting, or even a color palette. Parameters and modifiers: adjust image quality, lighting, or perspective, such as close-up, wide angle, or dawn. Refer to famous art styles or artists. If you want your image to resemble the work of a famous artist, mention their name, e.g., Van Gogh style. For example, a futuristic cityscape at night, with flying cars, neon lights, and towering skyscrapers, in the style of Blade Runner. The scene is viewed from above, with rain falling.
Using Bing Image Creator to draw. 1. Bing Image Creator Prompt Example. With Bing Image Creator, all you need is a good text prompt to generate images. Start with a verb like create, add your subject, then some style or descriptive keywords. For example, create a mascot logo of a cat, flat vector, minimalist.
Whoa! So words basically become pictures?
2. Generating logo designs in Bing. Bing can help generate logo ideas quickly, even if it's not a dedicated logo tool. You can try something like a mascot logo of a robot, outline, black and white.
Cool, so I just describe the look I want with the right keywords?
3. Generating illustrations in Bing. For illustrations, begin your prompt with an illustration of. Then add a style, like fashion illustration for a raw, sketchy look.
Got it. The style keyword totally changes the result.
4. Generating paintings or drawings in Bing. To create art-like images, just say a painting of, or a drawing of. Add the subject and the technique, like pen drawing or acrylic paint. 5. Generating photos in Bing. You can also generate photos by saying a photo of. Add style, like vintage photography.
That's awesome, no more hunting for stock photos.
What Image Creator can do. Interior design. Design your dream room. Try prompts like a cozy pastel bedroom with LED lights and plants. Character and outfit ideas. Make original characters or fashion looks, like a fantasy girl with pink hair and a glowing sword. Story or comic art. Bring scenes to life with AI-generated backgrounds, action moments, or dreamy worlds, like a young wizard standing on a cliff at sunset, holding a glowing staff, with mountains in the distance. Aesthetic posts. Make unique images for TikTok, Instagram, or playlists, fast and free. Like moody indie album cover with a girl in headphones, stars in the sky, and soft blue tones.